This is the Newman wireless mouse F356. It has a glass surface, 24 gigahertz standards. The design is it's looking very ergonomic. It's compared to a normal mouse. It is looking a bit different, as we can see here. It has all the standard features with a micro USB connector. So, and it is also featuring fast moving ergonomic design, and it also has a power saving mode. So let's check it out how it is. So this is the battery which is provided with it. Thanks Newman for that, so I don't have to buy another battery. And this is the USB connector with the Newman logo in it. You can see it's very small, so it is almost invisible. So if I put it in my computer, yeah, it will look like this. So it's pretty it's pretty little. And here is the mouse. So let's see. So here is the on off battery, on off switch, and it's pretty light and feels good in hand. So whenever I'm using it, it looks nice. Now let me put the battery on. So it's an instant plug and play, as you can see. I don't have to connect to any software or anything. So right now I am using in my Mac, but I'm pretty sure that for Windows also it will work fine.